Your parking lot is the first impression customers get of your business. If the lines are faded and the pavement looks worn, it can send the wrong message before they ever walk through the door. For retail stores, car dealerships, and commercial properties, a clean, clearly marked parking lot improves safety, guides traffic flow, and creates a professional appearance your customers notice immediately. The process starts with proper preparation, cleaning the surface and removing debris so the new coating bonds correctly. Next, we apply a fresh asphalt recoat that restores the deep black finish while protecting the pavement from sun, weather, and daily vehicle traffic. Finally, new striping is applied, clearly marking parking spaces, ADA areas, fire lanes, and traffic directions. The result? A safer, cleaner, more professional parking lot that reflects the quality of your business. Learn more about our parking lot maintenance services at SCSI1.com.